In Japan, where vending machines are a staple of everyday life, a heartwarming upgrade is transforming them into unexpected havens for street cats. Certain models now feature discreet side flaps that fold open during rain or snow, creating cozy, dry shelters for stray felines seeking refuge from the elements. These flaps are made from insulated, weatherproof panels and are designed to deploy automatically through moisture sensors or be manually unfolded by local caretakers. The shelters are small, but thoughtfully built, with padded flooring and slight elevation to prevent water from seeping in. Some versions even include heat-reflective surfaces or reused thermal blankets, offering extra warmth in colder months. Positioned on the side or rear of the machine, the flaps are hidden from vending users, but easily accessible for animals. These vending machine shelters are part of community-led efforts supported by local businesses and animal welfare groups. In neighborhoods with known cat colonies, residents often donate food, blankets, or check on the flaps regularly. The machines remain fully functional for human use, while their quiet side panels serve as emergency shelters for animals in need. This initiative reflects Japan's broader culture of coexisting respectfully with animals, especially in urban spaces. By adapting an everyday machine into a multi-purpose design, the country shows that kindness can be engineered, even in the most unexpected corners.